Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.
Huawei's new foldable PC just got a huge upgrade. Let's check out everything new on the second-generation Huawei MateBook Fold Extraordinary Master. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Right away, the familiar carrying case returns, now in a classy soft gold finish with a premium vertical leather texture. Inside the box, you get a braided black USB cable, a 140-watt fast charger, the same magnetic keyboard, and this time, Huawei adds the brand new M Pen 3 with its own storage case. That means Stylus support is finally here, and it's one of the biggest upgrades. Before folding it, take a look at the display crease. It's incredibly smooth. Fold it once and you'll immediately notice the stunning new flowing gold finish. The textured leather and soft gold color create a premium look without being flashy. Huawei also matches it with a champagne gold metal frame, making the whole device feel even more luxurious. The Huawei logo and extraordinary master branding stay in the same place, but the opposite side gets a fresh redesign. Instead of leather, it now features a smooth, matte surface inspired by a brocade cloud pattern. Compared to last year, it looks much more elegant and instantly stands out. Huawei even added a dedicated magnetic spot for the Stylus case. It only locks onto this exact position, not the sides or back. Simply snap it on, store the M Pen inside, and you're done. Even after shaking the device, the magnetic hold stays rock solid. The Crescent portable keyboard is almost identical to last year's version. It matches the laptop perfectly with its copper gold finish and light gold keycaps. You can still attach it magnetically underneath for travel, or place it separately while working. The experience remains just as smooth. The new model weighs about 1,159 grams, making it slightly heavier, but folded, it's only 14.1 millimeters thick, actually slimmer than before. Unfolded, both halves are now an even 6.7 millimeters thick, giving the device a more balanced and refined design. Open it up, and that massive 18-inch display is still the star of the show. Folded, it transforms into a practical 13-inch laptop. You still get a sharp 3.3K dual-layer OLED display, up to 1,600 nits peak brightness, LTPO adaptive refresh rate, and a nearly unchanged screen-to-body ratio. Now for the big question, the processor. It runs on the Kirin X90 PLUS, but the real upgrade is the display. Huawei now uses a stronger 40-micron UTG flexible glass layer, improving durability against pressure and impacts. This stronger design is also what finally makes M Pen support possible. Huawei's floating hinge was already excellent, so it stays mostly unchanged. It still supports smooth hovering between 100 and 120 degrees. The two support points underneath also return to help prevent scratches when the device is open. Fold it back up, and you'll find the fingerprint power button, volume keys beside it, plus one USB-C port on each side. The overall button and port layout remains almost the same as before. Now, here's a feature I didn't expect. Huawei has added a gorgeous new virtual keyboard theme called Slacking Off. The keyboard looks like it's floating on water, while colorful koi fish swim underneath. 4 are bright red, 1 is golden, and another has a soft gray gold color. The animations make it even better. As the golden koi swims, it creates beautiful ripples across the water. Hold any key and the fish swims toward your finger. Tap a key, like the number 1, and the koi instantly swims there. It's a small touch, but it makes the keyboard feel surprisingly alive. Finally, head to Desktop Settings, then Personalization. Scroll down to Center Axis Personalization. Just like before, this is where you can customize and display your own text, but it's still a great personalization feature that Huawei continues to offer. Think you've seen all the customization features? Wait until you see what Huawei added this time. It gets surprisingly fun. Besides Huawei's built-in options, you can still create your own designs, add custom text like "Get Rich," insert emojis, and apply animated effects. But this generation also brings several brand new personalization themes. First is a motion party. Turn it on and a group of adorable emojis appears, including a cute little dog. Every animation changes their expressions, so it never feels the same twice. Next is fluorescent dots. Tiny glowing lights float around like fireflies, creating a calm and relaxing effect. Then there's rising sun. Watch the sun slowly rise while birds glide across the sky, giving the whole scene a peaceful vibe. Huawei also includes a festive Happy New Year theme with colorful fireworks. One of the most artistic themes is sun mirror and golden clouds, auspicious colors. It features a small koi fish with beautiful traditional Chinese-inspired visuals. My personal favorite is Lights Come On. Every time it appears, it creates a completely different mood, and I never get tired of it. Inside Desktop Settings/Personalization, Huawei adds a new Standby Screensaver section. Here, you can choose clock styles, photo walls, ambient carousel effects, music screens, and photo displays. But one feature is far more interesting. Set the screensaver to start anywhere from 1 minute to 1 hour after the device becomes idle. When it activates, an adorable little dog appears. And here's the cool part. The built-in camera recognizes hand gestures. Make the right gesture, and it's like feeding the dog a cookie. It instantly follows the treat across the screen. Tap the dog, and it wiggles its ears and reacts playfully. It's a small feature, but surprisingly addictive. Now, let's check out the new M Pen 3. The top cap opens to reveal a USB-C charging port. Below it are 3 buttons: Writing, Smart, and Air Mouse. Hold the Air Mouse button for about 3 seconds near the computer and it pairs automatically. Hold it for around 8 seconds to restart it. The buttons perform different actions depending on the app you're using. If this is your first HarmonyOS Foldable and your first Stylus, Huawei makes learning easy. Open Settings, Stylus, Stylus Space. Bring the pen near different parts of the screen, and you'll trigger different animations. One area shows a cute dog, while another displays a swinging panda. The system accurately detects exactly where the stylus is placed. Place the pen in the shortcut area, and a floating control panel appears. Press the shortcut button to launch customizable features like the white edge scroll wheel, global annotation, region screen recording, memos, or airspeed mode. For example, assign the white edge scroll wheel, press the button, and the virtual scroll wheel appears instantly. The second stylus button supports double-click shortcuts. You can switch to the eraser, return to your previous tool, open the color palette, or launch the global shortcut menu. In other apps, it also opens quick access controls. Huawei even includes 3 stylus minigames. One lets you control everything using only the pen and even detects its tilt angle. They're fun extras, although they're not the main attraction. Now, open Huawei Notes. Once the device is unfolded, the huge 18-inch display feels like a real digital writing board, making handwriting incredibly natural. Huawei Notes also gets several upgrades. Create a new note and you'll find 3 brush types, each with improved pen tip effects. Choose the ballpoint pen and you'll notice the new HDR enhancement slider. It adjusts smoothly from +100% all the way down to -100%. At 100%, your handwriting glows with a vivid HDR effect. At 50%, the brightness becomes softer. 0% gives you standard colors, while -100% turns the handwriting completely black. Switch the page to a black background, use the HDR brush, and you can create bright handwritten artwork across the giant 18-inch display, perfect for drawing a huge support message, like cheering for Jay Joe.
Just when you think Huawei Notes can't get any better, there's one upgrade that completely changes how you work. Huawei has introduced PC text notes. Think of it like using WPS, but built directly into Huawei Notes. At the top, you'll find familiar tools like Format Painter, fonts, font size, bold, underline, and more. You also get strike-through, plus support for images, tables, documents, audio, videos, and other layouts. Add a content box, type inside it, or insert Word files, pictures, and audio. Then drag it anywhere or fine-tune its position with the arrow keys. Need more control? Rotate the content box with the corner handle, your finger, or the stylus. Hold the resize handle to make it bigger or smaller. Select the content box and even more options appear. Change the background, add borders, choose from 3 list styles, or move the box above or below other content. Double tap the page and it instantly switches to handwriting mode. That means one PC text note can combine typed text, handwritten notes, images, files, and sketches in a single workspace. It's perfect for meetings, study sessions, or travel planning. As your page fills up, Huawei makes organizing easy. Hold Control, select multiple boxes, then align everything left, center, or right. One click and everything lines up neatly. Now, unfold the MateBook Fold and you get an incredible 18-inch workspace that's perfect for writing. But here's where it gets even better. Fold it halfway, place the keyboard on the bottom, and you suddenly have 2 separate workspaces. Watch videos, meetings, or presentations on the top screen while taking notes below. It's a workflow that's hard to find on any other laptop. Huawei Notes is also the full desktop version, complete with the powerful GoPaint app. Instead of just a laptop, the MateBook Fold becomes a massive 18-inch digital canvas. The extra space makes a huge difference. Compare it with GoPaint on the Huawei Pura X Max, and the larger workspace is immediately obvious. Drawing feels far more comfortable and natural. HarmonyOS multitasking makes it even better. Keep a reference image on the upper screen while sketching on the lower half, making creative work much faster. Huawei is also preparing music creation tools for the foldable PC. Whether it's fully open or folded, the giant display creates a unique workspace for composing music. Third-party apps have also been optimized. In WPS, connect an external display and start a presentation. The audience sees the current slide, your MateBook shows the next slide, and the lower screen displays your speaker notes. It's almost like working across 3 displays at once. But the best part is still coming. Remember the M Pen 3? Remove its top cap and it automatically enters Air Mouse mode. Now you can control your presentation wirelessly without touching the computer. Use the buttons to move between slides from anywhere. Turn on Air Pointer and a red laser pointer appears on the presentation. Simply point at a chart or key detail and your audience instantly knows what you're highlighting. Together, the M Pen 3 and the MateBook Fold create an entirely new way to interact with a foldable PC. More importantly, Huawei finally delivers a true native stylus experience for handwriting, drawing, and productivity. The benefits continue in third-party apps. In Easy Money shows live market data on the top screen while trading controls stay below. In BOSI Whiteboard, the upper half handles video meetings, while the lower half is used for handwritten notes, diagrams, and mind maps. And that's only the beginning. Many more apps are already optimized. For me, the biggest upgrade in this second-generation 18-inch HarmonyOS foldable PC is simple: native M Pen 3 support. It adds an entirely new way to work alongside the keyboard, unlocking more creative and productive workflows. That's what truly transforms this device. By combining its huge foldable display with full stylus support, Huawei has taken creativity and productivity to the next level. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.